We are only a few days into spring, but it definitely will be heating up closer to like we're in May or early June maybe for some areas later this week. It is going to get a bit on the hot side. Sunshine around, getting breezy, the humidity up. It will definitely not be as cool feeling as it was over the weekend. At least 90s for highs. Some places could hit 100 degrees, especially over Starr County, western Hidalgo County, and the humidity is high enough that it won't cool off a lot at night. Most nights, especially after tonight, will be down in about the low 70s or so for lows. Right now, it's not too bad if you're headed out for lunch or to pick some food up or get supplies, whatever you do these days. 87 in Harlingen, 86 in Brownsville. If you're staying at home and having lunch outside, it's going to get hotter this afternoon, so eat lunch earlier in the day if you want to eat out on the patio or something. The humidity up, dew points in the upper 60s and near 70. This is getting a little higher. As we get towards summer, we usually spend it pretty much in that category, in the very humid category, but it will be touching that at times today and most of this week. So the humidity forecast, when you look at it the rest of the week, it kind of wavers up and down a little bit day and night, but you get the idea. It's fairly high up there in the humid category and gets a little bit higher each peak, and then it drops off sometime late Friday night or Saturday as a cold front comes in. It should at least drop the humidity down a bit and the temperatures a bit by next weekend. We're not expecting a cold front, but instead of 95 degrees, maybe like 80 or 85 by late in the weekend. So until then, it's going to get warm today. Highs are expected to be in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Still fairly warm out there, but again, hotter days are ahead. Mostly sunny skies this afternoon. Breezes may gust about 25 miles per hour. There is a lot of sunshine. Remember, we still had some clouds all day Saturday and part of yesterday, but today, now the sun's out, kind of just near 90 degrees this afternoon. Mostly sunny skies around, and that trend kind of repeats itself again tomorrow. We may have some patches of clouds early in the morning, but I think we are looking for another mostly sunny day, very few clouds, and with that, temperatures ready to get hot again and hotter than today. So when you look at those temperatures, concentrate on some of the hotter areas of the Western Valley. This is this afternoon showing temperatures by 4 p.m. near 90 degrees, but hottest in Starr County. Notice what a computer model does overnight. We drop only down through the 70s this evening, down into the low 70s tonight. Remember, the humidity doesn't allow the air to cool off much at night, so very warm and muggy out there tonight. And then tomorrow, again, by mid-morning or so, we start to warm through the 70s and 80s. Notice by the afternoon, though, we do tack on some hotter numbers in the Upper Valley. And if you do live, say, west of about I-69C, especially from about McAllen, La Jolla, west into Starr County, that's your best chance to maybe touch 100 degrees this week. You notice by 4 p.m. tomorrow, it's already showing temperatures in the upper 90s, even briefly shows 100 in Rio Grande City. And that could be the trend, really, especially later in the week. By Thursday and Friday, we could see the hotter temperatures in the Upper Valley. So first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 90 degrees a day, 94 tomorrow, 95 on Wednesday. And notice we kind of stay up there Thursday and Friday, but those days especially, I think the Upper Valley locations in Starr County have the best chance to hit 100 degrees. Dry through Friday, a cold front comes through Saturday, a fairly weak one, but there is about a 20 to 30% chance of a shower storm Saturday, followed by a small cool down. We'll keep tracking it here on Channel 5 News at noon.